Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the 10th, 12th UG, PG or the PhD candidates guys. Why? Because for all these qualified candidates here the opportunities are there and the recruitment notification released from the government of India, and it is a central government institute guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government job notifications in this pandemic situation. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues guys. And here the pay scales or the payments are also very good for the graduates or the postgraduates as well as the 10th or the 12th and the ITI candidates also. Okay, so please watch this video until the end carefully. Why? Because here the total 337 vacancies are there from the multiple sections guys. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please give me one like for this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a recruitment notification guys from IGCAR. Okay, and here you may check down the advertisement number 2/2021. The scientific or technical officer or technician stipendiary trainee category 1, 2 and administrative post. And if you want to apply online, you have to click here guys, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. And you may check down here the last date for receipt of online application has been further extended up to 31st July 2021. So it is a newly modified last date guys. Okay, so up to here you may apply for this post guys. Okay, so we will see the detailed notification. Just click on this one and then you will be directed to the notification regarding this one. So Government of India, Department of Atomic Energy, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research from Kalpakkam guys. So here you may check down group of post A as well as C here, and the scientific officer, technical officer, okay, E and D category, and C and E category, and technician, stenographer, upper division clerk, and driver, security guard, work assistant and canteen attendant. So total 98 vacancies are there. And while coming to the stipendiary trainee, okay, category 168 and category 2 171, total 239 vacancies are there. So including both these two, here the total 337 vacancies are there. And let's check the qualification details very carefully one by one guys. So, and while coming to the first one is a scientific officer E, group A post. So one post is under the unreserved category. Educational qualification, PhD in metallurgical engineering or materials engineering with BTech, or else PhD with MSc in physics, chemistry, material science with 60% in the relevant discipline. So PhD must be mandatory here. And after the PhD, minimum 4 years of relevant experience also must be there. Age limit is in between 18 to 40, and the emolument 78,800 rupees plus DA allowances are also available. And the method of selection is personal interview. Next one, technical officer E, group A post. One post under the unreserved category, Bachelor of Engineering or Technology with 60% from chemical, and 9 years of relevant experience must be there. Age limit 18 to 40 and same amount guys, 78,800. And next one, coming to the scientific officer D, physics or electronics. So PhD in physics or electronics with Bachelor of Science and Master of Science, or Bachelor of Engineering and Master of Engineering, or Master of Engineering in Electronics with minimum 60% of marks from a recognized university. And desirable 3 years of experience in the device fabrication. And next one, physics or material science. Okay, so here almost the way, educational qualification is same. And next, physics or the metallurgy. Age limit is 18 to 40 and the pay scale is 67,700 in the level 11, and DA plus allowances are also available. And next one, coming to the technical officer C, group A, at atmospheric science or meteorology, MSc or MTech in atmospheric science or meteorology with minimum 60% of marks from a recognized university. And next one, while coming to the chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, mechatronics and metallurgy, Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology with minimum 60% of marks from the recognized university corresponding to these departments guys. Next one is the chemistry. So BSc with 60 percentage, in chemistry with physics and maths as an ancillary subjects, and MSc in chemistry. Okay, next one physics, BSc as well as MSc. So total 41 vacancies are there, and 18 to 35 years. Emolument is 56,100 rupees in the level 10 category. DA and allowance are also available, guys. Selection of exam, scheme of examination and method of selection is written test as well as a personal interview. Next one is technician B group C. So coming to this one post under the unreserved category, minimum 60 percentage in SSC or 60 percentage in HSC. Okay, and candidates must have the heavy vehicle driving license must be there. 21,700 in the level 3 category, and the examination scheme, selection scheme is also mentioned here. You may check, guys. Next one is administrative groups is stenographer grade 3. So SSC and 80 words per minute and 30 words per minute in the English typing. 18 to 27 years of age, 25,500 in the level 4 category. And next, coming to the upper divisional clerk, total 8 posts are there under the unreserved category. Any degree, guys. Okay, any degree, and 30 words per minute, and knowledge of the computer processing, and 18 years to 27 years, 25,500 rupees. And next, coming to the driver post, so 10th and valid driving license must be there. And coming to the security guard, 2 posts are there. 10th and physical standards must be maintained. And next, coming to the work assistant, total 20 posts are there under the unreserved category 19, and EWS category 1, pass in 10th or SSC. So 18 to 27 years and 18,000 rupees per month. The selection procedure is also mentioned here. You may check down. Next, canteen attendant, total 15 posts are there. Matriculation 18 to 25, 18,000 rupees plus allowances. All these things are provided. While coming to the stipendary category 1, so chemical, civil, okay, for all this category the diploma is required, guys. Electrical, electronics or instrumentation, mechanical, chemistry and physics. So coming to the physics, BSc also, BSc, physics and chemistry, BSc also enough. And the method, 18 to 24, method of selection of written test as well as the personal interview. Coming to the stipendary category 2, draftsman, okay, electrician, fitter and mechanical, machine tool and all these things. So educational qualification 60 percentage in SSC and 60 percentage in SSC plus ITS certificate must be there. Okay, so these are all the things required. Okay, and the selection procedure is also mentioned. Fine. So total is all the different recruitment notifications, guys, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please carefully follow all these things, and I will provide this link also. If you want to apply online, just click here and then you will be directed to the online application form. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also. okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.